Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my md65. Here it is. This is actually a update on my Romanian AK. So I made a new foregrip, new Romanian dung for my AK. So I just wanted to make an update on it. So you can make the one with the normal stock md63, or you can make the one with the folding stock, but the dung needs to be more straight, so this is kind of wrong, so I guess you gotta pull it down more, maybe something like that. Okay, so first you need a normal sheet of paper, A4 paper. This is a quarter size paper, so you can also use a quarter size paper, what I like to use. So you want to fold it in half, just like so, and then you want to fold it in half again, like so, and then you want to fold up these corners right here, so the center crease line will have to be on the bottom right here. So you want to fold this edge up to this top edge right here. Okay, so you want to do the same thing on the other side as well. So bring this edge to the top edge right there. And then you want to unfold and fold these triangle inside, okay? So you want to open this up and fold up the crease line right here, okay? So push this corner right in and fold up the crease line right inside, okay? So you want to do the same thing on the other side as well. So you want to open this up and fold this crease line that we just folded before, okay? And now you see this edge right here, you want to fold it right up to this top edge right here. So you want to fold this whole thing in half, just like so. And then you're going to sink this bottom piece inside, okay? So make the crease well, and then you want to unfold this piece and you want to open up that area, which is the whole paper itself, and you see this smaller rectangle in the middle. You want to fold up all the crease lines, okay, on the side. Okay, so it should look like this. And now you see these two triangles on the ends, and you see that center crease line. So you're gonna fold that triangle inside. Okay, fold that down, and then fold the other triangle on the other side, and then fold the center crease line like so. Okay, and flip it over so the longer edge is on top, and the shorter edge is on the bottom, okay? And now if you look right here, you will see this edge right here. You want to fold down on that edge like so, and kind of bring this whole thing together like this. Okay, and then you want this bottom piece right here to go forward and this back piece to go back like this. So this is gonna be the front of the gun and the back of the gun right here. Okay, make sure everything is lined up. So it should look like this. So make sure the longer edge is facing towards you and the shorter edge is away from you, okay, on the back side. And now you want to fold this whole thing in half. Just like that. Okay, and now you want to make a crease in the middle. So you want to fold it in half again. Okay, so the same direction and fold the whole thing in half one more time. It will be a little thick in the middle, but it's okay because it's making a crease. Okay, unfold. Then you want to take this bottom piece right here and fold it all the way down like so. Okay, and now, so of course it's going to be the magazine and the pistol grip right here. So you see this back side, you're going to sink that inside, okay? So kind of open it up and kind of pull this down so you can see this triangle right here on top, and you will kind of see the crease line on the side right here. You can see better on this side, the shorter side. Okay, so you want to fold that right up to this triangle, so don't fold past it. Same thing on this side, right up to, bring this edge up to the center crease line, same as this side as well. Okay, and then fold right across the triangle right here onto the crease lines, and fold that down, then fold that together like this. Okay, and now you want to flip it over to the back side, and if you look right here, let me fix this a little bit. So if you open up right here, there will be a longer side, which is the front, and the shorter side, which is in the back, and you will see this corner right here on the side. You want to bring that corner right up to the bottom edge right here, okay? So fold this down and until that corner reaches the bottom edge around here, okay? And fold this whole thing down. I was just fixing something. And now you want to fold this triangle down just like so. Make a crease right here. Then you want to unfold. Then you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that in like so. Okay. And then you want to take this top piece in the front and you want to fold that right up, all the way up, just like so. Okay, and now if you look right in here, you will see this corner right here, right there. Okay, if you open up this pocket right here, So put your finger right here and you will reach that corner, and you want to drag that corner all the way down to the bottom right here, okay? You can see, and fold that down. And now we want to fold this front portion in half. There's already a crease line, as you can see right there. So fold that in half. So bring this edge down to the bottom edge. So same thing on the back side. So flip it over to the back side. And same thing, this edge right here down to the bottom edge. So you kind of want to open up this pocket just a little bit and fold that top edge down, okay? And now you will see this little square piece right here. You want to fold that all the way down. Just like that. So a little bit of this edge comes out, okay? Because the paper itself is not perfectly square. So you have a little bit of that edge that comes out, okay? And now you see this corner, you want to fold that corner inside. So open it up and fold that corner. So make sure this edge is parallel to this edge here, okay? And of course same thing on the back side right here. And from here it's just a normal AKM, okay? So you want to open up this pocket and you want to fold that down. You might, if you already know how to make the AK, then you might want to skip over around, I guess. Okay, then you see this edge, you want to fold that right onto the center crease line there, and you want to fold it back down. And then you want to make the gas port, so you want to zigzag fold right here. So you see where that triangle is, and over here there's a thicker, not thicker, there's an edge right here. So you bring it all the way back. Then you want to bring it back forward around there. You want to bring the bottom edge up, so fold this whole thing in half, just like that. And you can leave it uneven on top right here, because you're going to fold that afterward. So you see where that slant is right here? At the bottom of the slant, right there, you can feel it. You want to fold this back, like that. Then you want to fold this in half. Then bring this edge in half, okay, like that. And don't forget to fold the top of the gas board, okay? So fold the top of that gas port. So it should look something like this. And now you can fold these two corners into the middle pocket, okay? And now you see this corner, you want to fold that right up to this top corner here. Okay, so bring this corner in there. Unfold, then open up this pocket and hide that corner right inside, just like that. And now you see that bottom corner right here, so there's this top corner here, and there's a bottom corner right there. You want to fold right around there. And you want to fold this whole thing in half. Okay? So of course it's the barrel. And you want to lift up a little bit in there as well, as much as you can. So kind of dig your finger into it. So a lot of the dung, the foregrip shows. Kind of want to fold this edge as well. And then you want to lift up the front side. So fold right around where this corner is right here. Okay. Okay, and now the folding stock, you want to bring this bottom corner up to the front of the magazine, just like that. And then you see this top corner right there, you want to fold it up to this back edge right there. Okay, like so. And then you want to fold this. Before that, you want to make a crease right here. So you see that corner, make a crease right there, and make sure this top edge lines up as well. Unfold. Wait, okay. And then you want to fold that top edge down, and at the same time make sure you fold down this corner. Okay. Okay, and then you want to fold in the bottom edge as well. Oop. Make sure it lines up. Okay, and fold right around that crease line that we just made. So fold it so that crease line touches the top of the stock. Then fold it down, leaving just a little bit of that edge on top. Then kind of drag it and fold this whole thing in half, this triangle. So you might want to shift it over like that. Okay, and now the magazine. So you want to make that little curve. So you want to open up this pocket, fold it all the way back, and fold that forward, just leaving a little bit of the top open, and kind of push down on the middle and kind of squish that down. Okay, press. And here's my md65, or you can make the change to my md63 with the normal stock as well. Yeah, so the one with the folding stock has a straighter foregrip, so you can kind of shift this down a little bit. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.